Welcome to 215 Windsor Point Road, Unit A. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, first floor apartment home in the Windsor Lake area of Northeast Columbia. It's convenient to I-20, I-77, Fort Jackson, as well as quick commute to downtown Columbia and Northeast Columbia amenities as well. So out front, you can see you have a parking lot out there open with open parking. You have a covered entry here on the first level. To the left of the front door, you have a storage area here with some shelving in there off of the front door. But as you approach the inside here, you'll notice that it's nicely updated throughout inside with luxury vinyl plank flooring. And also you have updated kitchen and bathrooms as well. So you enter into the living room here off the front door. So you have a nice sized living room with a ceiling fan. You do also have a nice built-in shelving there, as well as a laundry closet with included stackable washer dryer. And then you have your kitchen and dining area off the living room here. You can see the dining area has chill roll molding. There is chrome molding throughout the property as well. So nice dining area that opens into the kitchen, which you can see has some updated countertops, nice white cabinets. You have a refrigerator in addition to a stainless steel smooth top range and dishwasher. And then on down the hall, you have 2 bedrooms. So to our right here is the primary bedroom. So in here you have a nice sized room. You have an adjacent bathroom and also a closet here. The window looks out towards the back with this is sort of a view of sort of some woods behind. And then you have a linen closet here in the hallway. Second bedroom also faces the rear of the property. You can see the closet here. And then the full bathroom off the hall. So you have the same style flooring in the primary bathroom, or in the half bathroom in the primary, with the single vanity and the flooring. And then you have the addition of the shower and tub in the full. So that concludes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 215 Windsor Point Road, Unit A. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.